The Khadc Deputy CM Pinchngan N's aim on Friday said that the Executive Committee cannot do anything since the decision to attach the 21 villages under the 3 polling stations of Misei, Mausmai and Langdongdai to Ramrai Jurngam was approved by the House of the Council. While appealing the Joint Action Committee of the 3 polling stations to accept this decision for now, SAIM said that it is difficult now to again revert back to Maushinrat constituency since the next session of the council will only be held in December.
Namari kaning lalya mditang haka executive committee lalya ruah poka yung dorbar de kakam juga ni kam shong stang haka isi tenre ka shong ruah haka dorbar ka dorbar ka nginlong hadu lakum dugum nuat rai au disembar ya tayu bani kong bar de kam long ka besuk au disembar bagi nekren biang iki kam namar ba isu thu baga jing perkrea ya ka election MDC lanang ya syakmat Tika jing apil juga ya ki perlu kalong tang ni kawai namar ba ngayu iba haki kuat kubuar bana kalian ki district council North East India jungi la persangkat bala ban pressure ban pendap no ya ka amendment tela kawan ka amendment ni naka arpuna ki elected MDC ngin kiu saka like pusan bot de hamning ya ban reorganize biang ban demolition biang ikisnong ya kani ketika kabu ke